In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get dark mode on Snapchat on Android. Okay, so I'm just going to open up Snapchat real quick, and I haven't found a way within the actual settings of Snapchat itself without Snapchat Plus to turn on dark mode. So I'm going to be showing you something or a feature of Snapchat Plus. So if I just hop on over to my profile, and then you can see there's Snapchat Plus. Okay, if you're unaware about what that is, basically the paid version of Snapchat. Okay, so if I tap on Snapchat Plus, you can see a pre-release of dark mode right here. So this is pretty much on Android one of the only ways to have dark mode on Snapchat. Okay, so if I turn on that dark mode, you can see it says switching themes means we'll need to restart the app. Okay, so just tap on OK. And now it has been restarted, and if I go to my profile now, you can see Snapchat is in fact in dark mode. Okay, so you can make this possible on your Android phone. You can see this is an Android device. Okay, so now Snapchat is in dark mode. So to get that, you can sign up to Snapchat Plus. If you want to test it out, you can get a free trial of Snapchat Plus. I can't show you that because I'm actually a Snapchat Plus subscriber already, but you can get a free trial for like 7 days and then test it out. If you like the dark mode and all these other features of Snapchat Plus, you can sign up and keep using it. So that's now in dark mode, and that's how you turn on dark mode on Android on Snapchat. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.